we will introduce ourselves.
My name is Amina Yadukau.
My name is Amasala Laikjam.
My name is Pashalakam.
My name is Malini Punto.
My name is Panisa Iravan.
My name is Narati.
Today we will going to make som tam para or papaya pok pok. We will use glow and lego because we cannot bring it water and also to because it's so heavy. Okay, we will go step by step. First, let me introduce ingredient and condiment.
Ingredient shortage. มีพาพายากาลิกซอสยามีช็อกโทเมโต้ชิลลี่
Condiment 1 cook frozen fish sauce 2 fish sauce 3 fried sugar 4 lamb 5 monosodium glutamate
in a mixing bowl. Add full fermented sweet sauce, lamb juice, lamb sugar, and MSG. Stir well and adjust. Just the and desire.
Then to add the chili and garlic mix well.
Add the chopped tomato, chopped large onion, with a spoon or ladder.
Tắm thay tắm lao ai buồn, tắm thay tắm lao ai buồn, chuột con như đuông.